What's up, y'all? It's your boy Slug and the nigga back again. But today, it's different. We gonna do a little food review type shit. Gotta have the DC on deck. Got to. That's the bed for today. DC, that's the bed for the den. On ice. We only do on rocks. Yeah. We ain't gonna take a sip of that DC yet. We're gonna sip that DC when I need it. But I'm gonna show y'all what we got. Steak asada tacos. Steak asada tacos. We'll put some sour cream on it. It came with a little sauce. This is hot, I suppose. Got the little lime, cilantro, all that junk. Everybody done ate their food. I'm finna eat my food, so. Tuesday, but y'all probably not, y'all gonna see this whenever, but it's Tuesday. So, you know what that means. We usually do Taco Tuesday here, but nobody felt like cooking today, which I don't mind. I mean, I probably shouldn't directly put my nose on the sauce, but I want to smell it. So, I'm gonna smell the sauce. I like the little smell of the sauce. It don't got a spicy smell to it though. My mouth is watering a little bit. But y'all probably like, damn dude, just eat the food. Carne asada taco. Sauce. Oh yeah. This is good. You know, I'm just now recovering. I was sick for 2 weeks and I got a canker sore again. So, a lot of these spices don't really be the best thing. But, who cares? I'm a big boy, I'm 18. Let's flush it down with a little DC. Yep. That's it. Let's get a bite without the sauce. Now it came with some lime, a little citrus, you know, So we're gonna put that little lime on there. Put that lime on there, and I guess the cilantro was kind of like lettuce. It's replacing these are street tacos, by the way. These ain't no. I know y'all like to do the Barrera tacos, but I ain't got to them yet. It was a restaurant we was gonna hit up that did the Barrera tacos, but these are the restaurant is called Streets. I think it's on 95th and Warnell. It's up the street from my house. So, and we want tacos, so who don't like, if you don't like tacos, you weird. But Yeah. These little hoes right here, it got a little busage to it. It's busage. I'm gonna just spray the lime all over the tacos. Spray it. Yeah. I should probably put the sauce inside of here now since it's one taco missing. I'm gonna do one more. I'm gonna eat one more taco for y'all. Cause I know y'all wanna see the bite of it. 3D, this is what one of the tacos look like up close. Sauce. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. These hoes just go. They just really go. Nib it. I will be back. But now the sauce, it's got real spices in it. The sauce is really hot. That's good. That means it ain't nothing to play with. So guys, I'm giving the tacos. I'm giving it a 9.8 out of 10. I'm a different type of food critic because I actually like stuff. So when I try it, so I ain't generous with the, like, this is a real life 9.8. In the DC, it's already a 9.10. What that mean? A 10. Pull up. But I'll be back for sure. And I some busted. Pause. Whoa. I ain't gonna cut that out, but that's pause. I got some steak in my teeth. It's good. 95th and Warner Streets. Go ahead and get you some. If you like tacos, go ahead and get some. They got chicken tacos. They got ground beef tacos. You can get, these are street tacos. You can get street tacos. What I got, carne asada. This ain't carne asada, but it's asada, which that's steak. But yeah, go ahead, knock these back, give it a 9.8 out of 10. It's been your boy Slug. You already know, Bucko TV. And we out. I'll hit y'all with the next vid.